friends, it's a new tutorial about the TikTok app, so if you want to clear your display and watch videos without any buttons and keys, check our guide. So guys, right now we are on the For You page. It's normal mode, and if you want to clear this display, you need to hold on the period video and tap on the clear display button. If you want to go back to the normal mode, let's tap on this icon at the corner of the screen, and right now we will go back to the normal TikTok mode. Also guys, don't forget that after activation this clear option, you will watch your video and it will be refreshed all the time. But if you want to go to the next video and you will swipe down, you will go to the normal mode. So you just need to reactivate this clear option every single time. So guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely useful. You can check other guides on our channel about the TikTok app and other programs, so I hope you will like it definitely. And goodbye guys, good luck!